Installation and operation of a single target plasma coating apparatus. Unscrew the water injection port of the water cooler. Add appropriate amount of water to the water injection port. Watch the water level. Green is medium water level. Yellow means it's full, generally added to the junction of green and yellow. After adding water, tighten the lid. Connect the water cooler. Vacuum pump oil filling. Unscrew the cap. Add the oil provided. Observe the oil level line. This is the minimum amount of oil. This is the maximum amount of oil. Generally, just add the highest amount of oil. After adding oil, tighten the cap. Connect the vacuum pump bellows. Tighten the clamp. Connect the other end. Connect the RF cable. Just tighten. Connect the other end. Just tighten. Connect the air pipe in this order. Tighten the nut. Then use the tool to clamp the valve. Don't let it move left or right. Then tighten it with a wrench. Connect the power supply of the equipment, vacuum pump and water cooler. Before vacuuming, make sure the bleed valve is closed. Tighten the vent valve and close it. Make sure the intake valve is also closed. Open cavity. Place the sample. Close the cavity. Turn on the power. Click Agree to enter the operation interface. Know the atmospheric pressure. Turn on the vacuum pump to draw vacuum. Turn on the vacuum pump. Now the vacuum is going down. Pump the vacuum to the lowest setting. Now the vacuum condition is reached. Start to introduce gas. Fine-tuning the vent valve. Observe the vacuum value. Make the vacuum stable at about 10%. Click Set Time. For example, view by seconds. Click to start splashing. Adjusting the sputtering current. Adjust to the right size. The sputtering process can be observed. It will stop automatically after the time is up. Then adjust the current knob to minimum. Turn off the vacuum pump power. Close the vent valve. Then open the air valve. Open cavity. Remove the sample.